Hi, this is the HOTWAV T5 Pro and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So let's open the control panel, and if you want to add here some options or remove some of them, or just to change the positions of the icons, we should click here to this edit icon, and here you'll see down section with invisible options which we could add to our panel. To add them, we should just hold the icon and drag it to the subsection. By this way, just hold and drag it. To remove the options from the panel, by the same way, hold the icon and drag it to this down section. And to change the positions of the icons, we should just hold and drag it by this way. To reset the changes, click to these three dots and tap to reset, or if you want to save the changes, just tap to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.